Are you gonna wash it or grandma? Okay, bring your chair. Ni dun daw, mother. Oh, dito daw ni. Oh, minigay sabon. Is it hot? Here you go. Okay. Okay, you can wash now. You can wash now your... Oh, hindi. Tama lang. Okay. Wash your raspberry now. Are you washing your raspberry? Ajay plato na lang. Okay, grandma will put it in a plate. Sit nicely. Here you go. Here's your raspberry. Whoa, now better. Is it sweet? You like your raspberry? Oh, oh, good. Is it sour? Sour ba? Bakit sour? Okay. Eat your raspberry and show grandma your face. Kita ni. How many? That's a lot of porcupine. What are you eating? Cheese? You like cheese? Cheese and... Okay, wipe your hand. Okay, you can go in the fridge. What kind of cheese you like? What cheese? Is that a good cheese? Whoa, what kind of cheese? Show me your cheese. Hi. What kind? Okay, show your friends your pantry. Yeah, tour. There's the pantry. Tour the pantry. Yeah, yeah. One, two, three. About the pantry, you gonna show your pantry? You got lots of pantry. What you got? What's your favorite food in the pantry? Let me see. Yeah, what's your... No, no favorite food. No, none. Not that one. Candy? No, it's not healthy. What's the healthy food in the pantry? Healthy food. Where's the healthy food? No. Yeah, healthy. Oh, the spam? Okay. Saan? Taas da. Oh, sa taas sa bundok? Hindi pa. Oh, meron na? May bulaklak na sila? Oh, wow. Hindi maganda. Oh, really? Did it do the tree already? Oh, really? Oh, wow.